And we are Daughters 5.
Naging influence namin ng father namin. Kaya natuto kami sa pagtugtog. Mula bata kami, tinuruan na niya kami kumanta at tumugtog pati ibang instrumento.
All the glitters is gold. Namalat eh.
Ang father namin talaga, 100% yung support niya sa amin. Sa lahat ng tugtog namin, sa lahat ng gigs namin, nandun lagi siya.
Well, ladies, you're about to step on stage. You all look lovely. I'm sure you're very, very talented. Good luck.
Good luck!
Ay, ganda.
Gagandang girls.
Ako, yes kagad. Yes, it's a big yes.
Wala bang performance? Yes na
What's the name
agad?
of this group?
Daughters 5.
Ah, sisters kayo?
Yes.
All 5? Bongga.
Ay.
How old to how old? Si Ates how old?
30.
Youngest is?
23.
Daughters 5. Good luck.
You've got to just steer. Give up now or make it clear. Ooh, it's either do or die. Maria, oh Bella Maria. Jump on, yeah, and take a
Nahirapan ka medyo na abutin?
Medyo mahina lang po yung monitor.
Malapit ka nang sumabit sa bed. Pero kasi ako naiintindihan kong
Dahil
mahirap
tumutugtog, no?
tumugtog and
Sing pa.
kumanta at the same time. And I think mataas yung kanta.
1 week na po akong sore throat.
Wala kayong mas
Yung mas mababa dyan.
Para mas carry nyo. Sige na, please. Para we can say yes.
Oo.
Say true, there's nothing like me and you.
Siya nga ang pinakamatindi boses eh. Kung walang sakit dyan, napakaganda ng boses. Powerful talaga.
You feel it too, and I would run away. I would run away, yeah. I would run away. I would run away with you, 'cause I'm falling in love with you. I'm never gonna stop falling in love with
Okay na. Kasi kawawa ka, we understand you're sick. Iniintindi namin talaga, you know why? Because visually, ang sarap niyong panuurin na tumutugtog.
At saka kasi bihira sa isang pamilya na lahat humahawak na instrumento.
Sana if we do say yes, practice, practice, practice some more, na tumbasan niyo yung ganda niyo ng galing ninyo.
I think the second song that you did, medyo maganda na.
Bias.
She's not well. You can tell talaga.
Yeah.
She's sick. Yung may sore throat, may laryngitis siguro.
Actually po yung basis namin, wala po siyang boses ngayon.
Ay, you're also sick?
Yan.
Uso eh.
Kagagaling lang po namin sa Dubai. Tumugtog po kami sa outdoor. Sa sobrang lamig po, nawalan po talaga kami ng boses.
Professional kayong banda na.
Apo.
I mean, nagwo-work kayo abroad?
Apo, 1 month po nag-play po kami sa Dubai.
Sino may asawa sa inyo?
Ikaw lang. The rest?
Wala po.
Very good. So, let's vote.
Ako bilang magaganda kayong tingnan, parang nananalamin ako, yes.
Kasi first time ito na girl group na yun nga, humahawak ng instrumento, magkakapatid pa at magaganda. Kaya yes na rin.
Thank you po.
I hope that you get well and perform better next time. So we'll give you a chance. It's a yes also for me.
Thank you po.
Thank you, girls. Bye!
They came from Dubai. Yeah, it's cold now in the Middle East, right?
Super! Congratulations! Pasok kayo sa next round. Sleep well, rest well, magaling kayo.
Congrats,